Okay, it's bar model time with fractions. Hooray! Megan spent 1/6 of her money on food and 5/8 of her money on a new outfit. What fraction of Megan's money is left? I'm going to try to attempt to show you using a bar model. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw a whole bar out, because we're basically trying to figure out, Megan's money. I'm going to kind of like section this off to show you that, this is 1/6 of her money, and this will be 5/8 of her money. But what we really want to find out is with all of her money, what part is missing, because we want to know what fraction of Megan's money is left. So basically, we're going to take 1/6, and because these are together, we're going to add 5/8. Knowing what we've taught you from before, we're going to find our least common multiple, or least common denominator, of 6 and 8, and I believe, Miss Pickens, that will be 6 and 8.
What?
6 and 8.
Oh, 24.
Oh.
Sorry, Mr. Camuel. I'm focusing on my videotaping skills.
Very good. We will switch to 24s. Now, as we have done all along, and you should be pros at this by this point, how do we go from 6 to 24? Of course, times 4, so 1 times 4 is 4. How do we go from 8 to 24? We will multiply by 3, so now we have 5 times 3, which is 15. We will go ahead and add our fractions because now they are in like denominators. We now have 19/24. That is how much she has spent on her two outfits, the 1/6 and the 1/8. That's how we get the 19/24. Now to the big question: how much does she have left over? Since this is the bar for the whole, we think of whole being as 1. Since we have to know what is really being taken out of, we're going to need to subtract. So I'm going to subtract my 19/24. But if I write it this way, that kind of looks weird. I can't really do that. So we have to think again on some of the skills and concepts that we've learned, and understand that if I have one whole and I'm dealing with 24ths, then 24/24 is equivalent to one whole. Now I can subtract my 19/24. I have like denominators, so 24 minus 19 will leave me with 5. And we were in 24, so I have 5/24. Megan has 5/24 of her money left.